안녕하세요, Medishimita. Hey guys, this is Yanio Medish, and we recently hit 50 plus subscribers. Yay! Yes, I know it might not seem like a lot, but for me it's pretty awesome. So thank you guys so much. So I thought I'd make a quick video about what Medish is all about, just so you guys know what you're getting yourselves into. I am currently in my second year of med school, technically, and it's pretty great. Like, it is so great. Like, it's awesome. Words cannot describe it. Literally. Anyways, one day a friend of mine just said, hey, why don't you start making videos about school topics and stuff? And I'm like, sure, why not? And I made a recording and Medish was born. Da-da-da-da! Medish was made for the average medical student, not the annoying kid in class who always raises his hand, because apparently he knows the answers to all the questions, always, ever, and forever. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. I love all of you equally, obviously. But the point is that Medish was made for the average medical student who basically 95% of the time has no idea what the heck we are doing. Or if you're just a curious dude who likes to learn random stuff about human body parts, you're good too. I mean, you can totally hang with us. It's not weird at all. Absolutely not weird at all. So at Medish, we aim to simplify complex concepts and basically just be the loving hands that guide you through this torturous, horribly torturous obstacle course that is med school. And if it isn't already obvious, I did not plan to make a video of myself ever, you know, with my face, but the thought just popped in my head and here I am making a video of myself with my face. So now that you know more about us, we'd like to know more about you too, so please drop a comment beneath our videos to let us know what you think. And of course, please remember to like, to share, to subscribe as usual, because that would be great for you, for us, for everybody, basically. So thank you guys for watching. Welcome to Medish. Have a nice ride. Bye. Okay.